Good morning, YouTube. I'm Makai Block. You're watching Limitless North TV, and we're talking about 12 major axioms for investing, for finances, and for life. Today we are talking about major axiom number 11 on stubbornness. So I'm going to read this brief thing, this description of the axiom to you, and then we're going to break it down together. So if it doesn't pay off the first time, forget it. Perseverance is a good idea for spiders and kings, but not always for speculators. Don't fall into the trap of trying to squeeze a gain out of any single speculative entity. Don't chase any investment in a spirit of stubbornness. Reject any thought that an investment owes you something. And don't buy the alluring but fallacious idea that you can improve a bad situation by averaging down. The minor axiom number 15 that goes along with this is never try to save a bad investment by averaging down. Okay, let's talk about this. If it doesn't pay off the first time, forget it. Don't keep trying to make something work. People get so stubborn and they think that because they had the idea, because they invested in it once, they have to make it work out. The reality is some investments are just bad investments, and you should not be stubborn. You should learn to just cut your losses, get out, and don't try and squeeze a gain out of a speculation. There's so many things that you can invest in and speculate on that will actually give you gains. Don't try and force them out of something else that's not going to give it to you. Perseverance is a good idea for spiders and kings, but not always for speculators. Don't fall into the trap of trying to squeeze a gain out of any single speculative entity. Don't chase any investment in a spirit of stubbornness. Reject any thought that an investment owes you something. That is a very important statement to remember. Reject any thought that an investment owes you something. And don't buy the alluring but fallacious idea that you can improve a bad situation by averaging down. If you've bought into a bad investment and it's losing, don't average down. Don't buy lower and lower and lower and hope that someday you can sell and make a gain. Just get out of it. Just be done with it. Don't try and squeeze a gain out of it. Just be done. So that's major axiom number 11. Tomorrow, our last major axiom, number 12, on planning. This is a really good one. You guys want to tune in for it. Thank you for watching. Hope you're liking these videos. Right now, would you do me a favor and just give this video a like right now and then subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you being here. Looking forward to working with you on the next one on major axiom number 12, the last one on planning. God bless you guys. Have a great week. I'm Makai Block with Limitless North, and I will see you on the next one. Hi, I'm Makai Block. Welcome to Limitless North TV. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why should I? Every week, I'll be developing and delivering quality videos focused on helping you become a high-value, high-achieving entrepreneur, to earn more and increase your income, to build and grow your wealth, and to make insightful and impactful changes to the way that you live your life and run your businesses. You will be challenged. You will be inspired. I will motivate you to hit that next level in your life, to overcome your obstacles, and to quit struggling through your mediocrity. But most importantly, I'll be developing and delivering strategies and ideas, tips, tricks, habits, and tools that you can begin implementing in your life today to see the success and the change that you've been hoping for. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and I will see you on the next one. I guarantee you, and I promise you, that you won't regret it. Welcome to Limitless North.